24 hours is all it takes to change your life. You're literally one decision away from having a completely new life. Watch this video if you guys want to know how to change your life within one day. 6 years ago, my life changed massively. I remember getting an email that I had been kicked out of university, and I remember thinking to myself, now I have to do something else in my life. I remember thinking, oh shit. And within those 24 hours, I knew my life had changed forever. A lot of you guys overestimate how much time it takes. It doesn't take long to change your life. The reason why people think it takes so long to actually make a change is because they postpone making decisions. But once you make a clear, hard decision, that's when everything begins to change. Within the next 24 hours, you can decide to start posting content on social media, and now you can become a full-time content creator. Within 24 hours, you can decide to sign up to a gym and decide that you're going to start going 4 times a week. Within 24 hours, you can decide to start ordering meal prep, which will be delivered to your house. Or within 24 hours, you can decide to start cooking your own meals and eating healthy and tracking your calories. Within 24 hours, you can decide that you want to start doing cardio and getting lean and training abs and basically get a six-pack. Within 24 hours, you can decide to buy a new car and now start having road trips with your friends and do more fun things. The reason why people take so long to make progress and to actually change their life is because they're constantly postponing decisions. But if you just confront the decisions that you have to make and you tell yourself, I'm going to make this decision right now, then everything starts to change for you. I wrote a few points here on my laptop of things you can do within the next 24 hours to guarantee you change your life. You could delete distracting apps off your phone. Join a gym, post your first Instagram reel, you can buy a camera, you can message a mentor, you can apply for a new job, you can make a landing page, you can decide to wake up earlier, you can decide to cut off toxic people, you can dump your toxic girlfriend, you can book a flight and go to a new country that's been on your bucket list for a while, you can start learning sales. There are so many new things you guys can start doing that will change your life instantly. Now, you might think that these actions are quite small. You might think to yourself, Hassan, but if I go sign up to a gym, or if I cut out toxic people, or if I delete these distracting apps off my phone, how is that going to change my life? That's only one small move. But by doing this one thing, it changes your trajectory. And then naturally, that will change the next move, and the next move, and the next move. It will change which direction you're going in, and that will alter all the next moves that you have to make. So don't underestimate the power of one decision. If you start waking up earlier, then naturally you might start eating healthier food. If you start eating healthier food, then you might have more energy in the gym, and then you might start training harder in the gym. Or maybe you'll start going to the gym because now you're eating healthy, and you know that if you are eating healthy, you're going to get good results if you train. So now you might as well train because you're eating healthy. So do you see how one decision starts impacting all the other decisions? Which is why it's so important to just get that first domino rolling, guys. Everyone knows dominoes. You hit one of them, and then all the dominoes fall down as well. It's the exact same thing in life. As you make the first powerful positive move, everything in your life starts to change. One of the most powerful things that happen once you actually make a decision is you start seeing yourself as a different person. Your self-identity starts to change, your self-image. You start to see yourself as a decision maker. You start to see yourself as an action taker. You start to see yourself as someone who's progressing in life. And that changes your energy. One of the reasons why I have so much energy is because I see myself as someone who has energy. I see myself as a winner. So that naturally makes me want to work hard to maintain this self-image. Human beings do anything to preserve their self-image. If you see yourself as a winner, you're going to work 10 times harder so you keep winning. If you see yourself as someone lazy, believe it or not, you'll actually do things that are counterproductive to your goals just to keep this self-image of being lazy. So if you decide that you're going to start going to the gym, if you decide that you're going to start waking up early, if you decide that you're someone who's disciplined, you're someone who keeps a routine, you're someone who's structured in their day, I promise you, it'll be so easy to maintain this routine. Don't underestimate one day. People meet their business partners in one day. People fall in love in one day. People start a new company in one day. People move countries in one day. You can do a lot in one day. It was always one day that led to all the amazing things that happened in your life. Think about all the places you've traveled to which you enjoyed, okay? There was a moment where you decided to go to that place and you booked the flight. It was that one moment which caused that entire holiday. There was a moment where you sent a DM to this girl on Instagram. That moment caused you to have that girlfriend. There was a moment where you sent a DM to this prospect, and then that prospect became a client, and then he ended up being your best client. There was a moment you posted that video, and that was your most viral video. It's always a moment. You're always one moment away from having a completely different reality. This is what people don't seem to realize. Don't think things take forever. Things are always instant. Everything is cause and effect. If you book a flight to go to a country, now you have a plane ticket which allows you to go to that country. It's so simple. If you send a DM, now you have a chance of getting a client. So you can change your life instantly. You just have to make a decision to do things differently. If at the moment you're not getting many clients, you're not making much money, you can make the decision to post 10 times the content and do 10 times the outreach and work 10 times the hours and hire someone. You can do that, and then you're going to make so much more money. You're just one decision away from doing that. To summarize this video, guys, I'm not saying you're going to be a millionaire in one day. I'm not saying you're going to be in super good shape in one day. I'm not saying you're going to, be a playboy in one day. I'm not saying you're going to necessarily achieve your goals in one day. I'm just saying today, right now, could be the day that completely changes your trajectory. You start moving in a different direction and you start actually going down the winning path. This day will lead to another day that goes well for you tomorrow, and the day after, and the day after. And before you know it, you stack a few days in a row together which are positive, and then you do become the person you want to be. You're only a certain number of days in a row of positive mindset, positive thinking, hard work away from actually reaching your goals. Guys, lock in, make those decisions today. Whatever you've been putting off, do it right now. You can move so much faster than you think. You just need to make the key decisions that you've been putting off. See you boys in the next video.